Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. Even I itself having the same problem guys. It's not launching. Starting Roblox. Wait for it. The error message will appear guys. Encountered an unrecoverable error. Let's fix it guys. It's not launching. First solution is to delete cache files and optimize Roblox for computer, and the another message has been came the memory dump error. And to delete Roblox cache in browser, for that double click on the Chrome, select the three dot icon over here, select settings. On left side select privacy and security, on right side scroll down and select cookies and other site data. Click on it, cookies, and scroll down, select the see all site data and permission, click on it and search for Roblox. You just need to delete the roblox.com cache files guys. You just need to select the trash and select clear it. After clearing it, close out of here. To delete Roblox cache files from your computer, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type %temp % again, click on OK. Right click on the Roblox cache file and select delete guys. After deleting it, close out of here, empty the recycle bin as well, empty it, click on S and empty recycle bin. After doing these steps, now to optimize Roblox for your computer, right click on it and select properties, select compatibility tab and select run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8. Select Windows 8 and check mark the disable full screen optimizations and check mark the run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK. After doing these steps, you just want to go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows firewall opens up. In here you just need to select change setting, click on allow another app. In here you just need to select browse and you just need to select the desktop and select the Roblox player and select open guys. Select add it. After adding it, select private and public, check mark it. After doing these steps, click on OK. After doing this step, go to search menu and type for second step of optimize your Roblox for your computer. Select settings, select the system, select the display option over here, select the display and scroll down, select the graphics settings, select the browse option over here. You just need to select Roblox over here guys, Roblox player, select add it. After adding Roblox, you just need to select option and select it to high performance guys. After selecting it, select save. After doing this step, close out of here. Now for changes take effect, you just want to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, hopefully your problem will be resolved guys. Now we can see guys, Roblox player, I am getting error or not. Let's see it. Click on S and open it. Hopefully your problem will be resolved guys. Now I am not getting any errors. But if you still having a problem after restarting guys, second solution is to uninstall Roblox and reinstall it guys. For uninstalling it, go to search menu and type control panel and click on uninstall and uninstall it guys. For installing it, go to Google Chrome and install it guys. Hopefully that can able to resolve your problem. But the second solution also not get resolved. Let's move on to the third solution guys. Third solution is to install Roblox in Microsoft Store guys. So Roblox Microsoft Store version is so stable guys. That's it for today's video guys. Now my problem has been resolved. As you can see, my Roblox player is starting up and hopefully your problem also resolved as well guys. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.